15th of December 2016, and we're here at Southampton docks, and as you can see, the Elefant's arrived. That's after a 3,500 mile journey, and we're about to lift it, put it on the loader so it can head off to the museum. So we've now made it to the Tank Museum. We've taken the tractor unit away and we're just about to offload with our Terex tractor, pull the vehicle off, turn around the other way and then push it inside the museum, where then for the rest of the winter we're going to be setting up the exhibition around it with the rest of the full variants of the Tiger we've got to join it. So the exhibition will be ready if you want to come and see it in April of 2017.